Here's a example on our breadboard how the LDR sensor works. Observe Park's finger.
When it is in the light, it does not turn on, and when it's in the dark, it does. There we go.
So we must draw a schematic to base our project on. This will help us when making the connections with the solder as well as packaging. Sour cream and onion.
Going green this time.
So now we're going to make our ground connection with the transistor. This connection you see right here. I'm going to use this wire, this transistor. Okay, our ground connection's made. Now we're going to make the connection for our voltage out to the light bulb right here on our transistor. Now we're doing the connection from here to our resistance load, which is a 12K.
Filters in the signal from the.
So we have our transistor built. This going out to the light, this going to ground, and this is our resistance load. This going up.
When it takes in a small current, it'll close the switch here, completing the circuit, turning the light on, and that's what the chip gives. The op amp will give in a small current, allowing this to close and turn on the light.
Okay, we are now making the connections between the resistor here and this resistor. Now we are doing the connection for the light resistor in this node right here. This is the RDL connection with 2.2 kilo. So it's time for us to start doing this chip. We have two connections we're going to make from the two nodes here. We have our certified soldering expert on the team, Logan Washburn. You can tell from the smoke that the connections were made. So now we decided it'd be a good time to make all of our ground connect to one node. So we're going to go ahead and run the ground from the chip, run a wire from the ground from the chip, and then we'll have a nodal connection for all of our ground.
You're hooking up the light sensitive resistor, RDL, and I'm not sure what that stands for, but resistor depending on light, I don't know. That is now
Light dependent resistor.
Light dependent resistor, LDR? No, he has RTO. Oh, resistor dependent on light. Like, I gotcha.
Okay, we're coming into our final connections. Positive voltage source, a voltage source. There's also going to be a voltage source connected to the light that runs through the entire project that we build. We have this green wire as our voltage source that's going to run through our entire enclosure. Each one of those nodes is being made by Logan right now for each resistor as well as to the chip. And then after that, it should be ready for encapsulation. Some scratching for us, Logan.
Alright, this is the final test with the package. We got the light dependent resistor right there. So when Lee waves his hand over it, it turns on. It's a little bulky, but you know, it works. It works. I think this is the coolest project by far, so far. The light.